Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please kindly like, follow and subscribe to my channel. Today we'll be drafting this beautiful pattern, this male Hermes pattern. You draw a straight line, you measure a straight line, then after then you fold the paper into two. You fold into two equal halves. After folding it, the line, the middle part, you draw a straight line. After drawing a straight line, you measure 1 inch. From the 1 inch, you measure another half inch. You see what I'm doing? Measure another half inch. You measure another 1 inch. You make another point, like measure another 1 inch, half inch, and 1 inch, so as to make the work accurate when joining the lines together. So you measure the measurements will be accurate. You measure 0.3 from the straight line, then you measure another 0.5 inch from the center line. You do that, you measure another 0.3 again towards the down parts, that we measure 1 inch, then you measure another 0.5. After measuring the two, you join the two together, you join the two lines together, you make a little curve, like you just, so you join the two lines together, then you make a little curve to make the pattern look nice. So you join the 0.3 and 0.5. You can see what I'm doing, join the two together. You will use a sellotape or a stapler to hold it down, so it will be easier for you to cut. So after cutting the pattern out, so you will look for the point where 0.3 and 0.5 meet. So you measure 1 inch. You can actually see what I'm doing. You measure 1 inch from the first 1 inch that we measured the other time and the second one. Then you use your stapler or your paper tape to hold it. You hold it so that it will be easier for you to cut. So when cutting it, so you don't have error, you don't have any error there. One will not be too big, the other side will not be too small. So you have to use paper tape or stapler to hold it together. So after doing that, you cut out the shape out. You see, you can see especially the parts where we marked 0.5 and 0. You do it carefully so that you will not make mistake or any error there. Then you cut the shape out. After cutting the shape out, then you fix the pattern on your last. You put the pattern on your last. Then after fixing the pattern on the last, guess what I'm actually doing. After that, you measure 1 inch by 12.5, 1 inch breadth, and the length should be 12.5. Then after doing that, the pattern that we fixed on our last, you look at the feather side. You can see what I'm trying to do. The feather side, you use your paper tape to hold the pattern together. So after using your paper tape to hold it down, then from the point where you join the first pattern, you measure 1 inch. After measuring 1 inch, you join the line together. You cut it out. After cutting the 1 inch out, then you take your paper, then you put it at the edge where you cut the 1 inch that we measure. Then you use the paper tape to join that place again. Then from that point you measure another 2 inches. From that point where you join the 1 inch that we measured earlier, you measure 2 inches. So after drawing the 2 inches, you cut that part out. So you cut it out. After cutting it out, you measure ½ inch from the point where you join your the 1 inch that we drew earlier, you measure another half point. I don't know if you understand. You measure another half point. You can follow my step, follow what I'm doing. Measure another half point. After you measure that half inch, then you fold that side. You put your ring there. So maybe you're using leather, you're supposed to stitch that place, but I will use my paper tape to hold it down, so it'll be easier for me easier for me to put the stripe there, to put the long stripe. So I'll use paper tape to hold it two sides. So the measurement for the long stripe is 1 inch by 12.5 inch, 1 inch long, 1 inch wide, and 12.5 inch long. So we insert our long stripe inside the ring. After inserting, then we'll fix it. We'll fix the long stripe then we use our paper tape to hold it at the back of our last. So our pattern is ready. So to get the accurate pattern, the accurate pattern of this or of what we are doing, so we need to do some stuff. We need to do some step. We remove the pattern from the last. We put that place where we had our 1 inch. Then we had a little paper and selective. We had our selective to hold it down, so that to make that shape look exactly like the pattern we are drawing. Our paper tape to hold the pattern on a plain sheet again. Then we'll draw the shape out. We draw the shape of the pattern. We make a new pattern out. So we'll draw the shape out. You can see what I'm doing. Just follow the step. Just follow me. You see exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to shape this pattern again in another cardboard. So after doing that, I'm using my pencil to trace it out so that it will be more clear, so I can see the lines very well. So after doing that, I'll cut out the shape.